on, the focus is now on the consumption space. Asian Paints and Titans are expected to announce their earnings today. While Asian Paints is expecting margins to remain under pressure, Titan, on the other hand, is anticipating strong growth in their jewelry business, fueled by rising gold prices. When we have Mahima joining us to tell us the details.
Right, so I'll start with Titan first, revenue growth, of course, on the back of rising gold prices. Margins might stay under pressure, is something that the street is expecting. In terms of financial estimates, revenue may rise around 9%, EBITDA may rise 13%, margins may be at 9.9 versus that of 10.6 earlier. Net profit may rise around 9.8%. In terms of Q4 business update that the company did post, CaratLane sales are expected to grow by 22%, standalone business to grow at 25%, emerging business sales to grow at 7%. Eye care to grow at 19%, which is a big win for Titan. Watch and wearables to see a growth of 22%, and jewelry sales overall expected to grow up by 25% on the back of rising gold prices. Now, what can you expect? Strong growth in jewelry, lower studded mix impacting the overall margins, rise in buying of gold and gold bullions, and a commentary on that. CaratLane outperforming, that's been the story in the past few quarters as well. Recovery in eye care business, and key things to watch out for will be commentary on their emerging business, especially their new stores with respect to Taneira, like-for-like growth trajectory going ahead and for this quarter as well, and lastly margins outlook. In terms of Asian Paints, well, yet another quarter, disappointing quarter for Asian Paints. Fall in urban demand will put pressure in terms of their revenue growth. Margins will be under pressure on the back of inflation. Revenue may fall around 1.3%, EBITDA may fall 7%. EBITDA margins could be at 18.2 versus that of 19.4, and that is the lower end of what the management has always guided. Net profit may fall around 15.6%. What to expect? Subdued demand to put pressure on top line. Margins under pressure, and this is likely on the back of higher spends, ad spends as well, because Birla Opus is giving tough competition to Asian Paints. And it's not just Birla Opus, but peers like Berger Paints is also giving competition. Likely to underperform peers is something that the street is expecting. Key monitorables will be FY26 demand outlook, commentary on price hikes and outlook going ahead, and overall competition impact and commentary on that will also be something to watch out for. So these are the two things that, the two companies that are expected to post their earnings today, and this is something that you can expect from both Titan as well as Asian Paints.
Thank you, Mahima, for giving us those details. Titan and Asian Paints, both of these counters are reflecting to what is expected on the street on the back of their Q4 results. Titan in the green, while Asian Paints slightly under pressure.